Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your RAM 1500 mirror. First, make sure you have all the right tools, such as a socket wrench set, a trim removal tool, and a new mirror assembly. Having the correct replacement part is crucial for a smooth installation. Always work in a well-lit and safe environment to clearly see what you are doing and prevent any accidents. Proper preparation makes the entire process much easier. Now, let's get that old mirror off. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel. You'll likely need your trim removal tool for this to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's functions. After that, you can unbolt the old mirror from the door frame. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place, so keep them safe for the new installation. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the mounting bolts you saved earlier. Next, reconnect the electrical harness to the new mirror, ensuring a snug fit. Before putting the door panel back on, it's a good idea to test all the mirror's functions, like power adjustments and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips snap back into place securely and that any screws are tightened. Give your new mirror one final check, adjusting it to your preferred position and confirming all power functions are operational. You've successfully replaced your RAM 1500 mirror. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals that might interest you. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.